Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a common problem that many of us encounter when working with computers. The issue at hand is **** insert the specific problem ****. This can be frustrating and time-consuming, especially when we're in the middle of an important task. But fear not, we have a solution for you. An **** insert the solution to **** insert the problem ****. We can quickly and efficiently resolve this issue. By following these simple steps, you'll be back on track in no time. The **** insert the solution **** is designed to address this **** insert the problem **** effectively, giving you peace of mind and allowing you to focus on your work without any interruptions. Now, you might be wondering how **** insert the solution **** works, and how you can implement it on your own computer. Well, it's actually quite simple. Just follow the instructions provided, and you'll be able to fix **** insert the problem **** in just a few minutes. Say goodbye to those pesky **** insert the problem **** once and for all. In summary, **** insert a brief summary of the problem, solution, and steps to implement it ***. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and leave a comment below sharing your experience with **** insert the problem ***. And remember, subscribing to our channel is the best solution for staying up to date with the latest tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.